How to make and create corporate video on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Canva, log into your account. Now go to the top right here and click on create a design. Click on video and it will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down like this until you find corporate video option, and here is it right here. Now click on see all, choose the template that you want. I'm gonna choose this one, click on it again and change the text from here. For example, you can add anything like this. Let's see. As you can see, it's so professional. As you can see, after you finish, go here and click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.